All right, y'all, top of the day, highest vibrations. It's your girl Tears, no E's, only threes. Look, the dragon's out. Because first of all, there must be something mystical arising in you. So whenever this message seems to find you, it is the time that this energy is ready to align with you. Okay, welcome in. Welcome to this alignment. Now, this will be brought to you by the Golden Source Tarot deck. I made this with my heart, my mind, my body, and my soul. And maybe one day you'll get to tap into how you are to be unveiled to discover all that you are within your very own source expression, because it's golden. Okay, but let's go ahead and start with the oracle, with the blessings of the source of all creation, the support of the highest vibrations. What is the theme for the person aligning? Rebirth. Da 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 da. Okay, this is about you on your phoenix, but you know it's during winter time, so you must be one powerful mofo to rise when all these closures and stuff is happening. No, that's actually what's it. You're rising right now, 111, when I paused that. You're rising right now because you was never meant to fall in the first place. But you know, sometimes the contrasting energies, source gotta give them the illusion that they're winning, just so, you know, everybody can evolve on their personal journeys. But whoever tried to hold you back, yeah, big energy coming. Big energy from within you. Okay, let me go ahead and shuffle. All right, tell me more about this rebirth. What you want to tell me? We said in the past. All right. You already had this source expression in you. You already had it locked in. This is something you need to know. Everything that you was intuitively guided to move towards was for a divine reason. Your soul did nothing wrong. It just had to be at a illusion of a delay. But hey, that's over because you're rising. Look, so we got lovers at the bottom and strength popping up, because at the end of the day, as this dragon has been in you, now it had to go dormant for a little bit because you had to get more rest. You had to get more resiliency in you. But now you got your strength that's coming back, because now it's awakening as these closures are releasing everything, every energy that tried to be in your way. Now, I could say on the internal level that you have not only strengthened yourself throughout this process, and now you're in a better position to transmute and alchemize the energy as well. But the moral of the story, this rebirth has happened and ain't nothing that can be done about it. All right, yeah, okay, you are rising because you had to rest for a little bit because the world wasn't even ready for you. Okay. Yeah, they had to wait for like the world to awaken a little more distress, to add a little more distress among other people. Wait, hold on. No, I'm looking at the moon as I'm doing this. All right. So the moon is about to go full, but whenever this message aligns with you, whenever this energy of the moon in your current timeline goes full, you're going to see something lift that you thought wasn't coming no time soon. Ooh, source, that is so juicy. All right, give me one more. Okay, we're going to pull another card. I'm going to pull some basic tarot real quick just to co-sign. Tell me more about what's coming when this moon goes full, okay, for the person aligning. Did you turn red? Yeah, all shit. I mean, all sugar snaps. It's your wish coming true. It's your true fulfillment, like we said, that legacy. And it's also it's going to come in fast. So, like, as soon as the moon goes full, you want to see that stuff lift. Because, yeah, we had a lot of people, a lot of energy trying to test you, trying to help build you into your strength. And we are thankful for them, okay? But, you know, the legacy is moving forward now. I'm going to pull one more card with the Golden Source Tarot deck. I use the other cards when I want to be a little messy. But the Golden Source Tarot deck is just meant to give you the perspective in your highest form. Yeah, the time your money wasn't money in, when the money was only looking like fun yuns. Well, thankfully, I hope you had some fun in between that. But yes, strive to do your best every day, even starting at this moment before the moon goes full, because this is shifting in your highest. What's underneath of this? This is King of Soul. This is getting that embodiment. You see, you have to be around. You have to lay low for a little bit because your spirit was getting ready for the transition, okay? And now that you are transition and you're in alignment on the 5D, is coming down on the 3D, okay? Body yaddy yaddy. I'm talking about the root chakra. I'm talking about all that, and I ain't even trying to go that deep because I should turn this landscape if we're gonna go there. But hey, if you're on YouTube, okay, we got the full one coming soon. Until next alignment, I'm your girl Tears. If you want to go ahead and support me in any way, get your very own Golden Source Tarot deck. But until next alignment, I'm gonna keep posting just to let you know how fly it is. Until next time,
You
namaste.
angel, get them moving when they scream. Danger, danger.